Get a feel for the 2023 Ford Maverick. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This good-looking Maverick delivers daily driver comfort and practical utility. From its well-equipped four-door cabin to its impressive towing and hauling ability, this well-built compact pickup was designed with today's lifestyle in mind. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, backup camera, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth connection, steering wheel audio controls, Wi-Fi hotspot, alarm. Feel ready for the task with this handy Maverick. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.